what is this, storm number 6, John?
Well, this is still part of that atmospheric river from yesterday. The tail end of it, though, this is that really unsettled stuff behind it. We've been seeing a lot of convective activity. Fancy word for thunderstorms developing across the Bay Area and the rest of the state. We saw a heavy line of thunderstorms working through between 2 and 3 a.m. that resulted in some cases, some tornado warnings out towards the Central Valley earlier on this morning. Where we're sitting in the Bay Area is definitely calmer wind-wise than we were earlier, but still very unsettled out there. You see those spotty showers in areas further south in the Bay, like around San Jose, up into the Santa Cruz Mountains, as well as some heavy pockets of rain just northeast of American Canyon right now. The cell that I'm watching very closely right now is this one sitting just west of San Francisco. We have 40-mile-per-hour winds associated with this one and the potential of pea-sized hail along with it as well. It is expected to work towards San Francisco within the next few minutes here, especially impacting areas like Ocean Beach, Sunset, and Richmond districts, eventually up to the Marina districts. After that, it'll cross the Bay and work its way on over towards Berkeley and Richmond. So a very heavy area of rainfall about to be making its way overhead in San Francisco here in just moments. Futurecast shows us this continued area of heavy rainfall that we're seeing this morning. These pockets of thunderstorms popping up across the Bay intermittently through the morning. We're keeping a very close eye on it, so you can be sure that we're going to keep you updated as we make our way through the morning. But do be ready to go as you're leaving the house for a quick increase in rainfall intensity, strong and potentially damaging winds, and the potential for some lightning and even small pea-sized hail along with these systems pushing overhead. We generally see activity calming down into the afternoon. We'll definitely have a calmer afternoon, but still that isolated chance of a shower does exist. So don't be surprised if you see one pushing overhead. Tomorrow is going to be a lot more widespread with light to moderate rainfall spread out through the course of the day before calmer conditions into Thursday and Friday. Still potential of rain on those days, but not as much of a potential of the heavy stuff like we've been seeing. Flooding risk continues. Watches across the Bay Area through tonight and winds gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour across the Bay as we speak. Right now, temperatures are in the 50s, so make sure to focus on the rain jacket, just that layer to keep you nice and dry as you're venturing out yet again in the midst of strong winds and at times heavy rains.